Welcome everyone. Today I have a real treat for you guys. This is an R32 Skyline GTR. Right-hand drive. They only came in right-hand drive. This actually belongs to a good friend of mine. It's been sitting collecting dust for the last 10 years, ever since he crashed it on the tollgate. He went straight into a guardrail, destroyed the whole rad support in the front and also the quarter panel. But enough about the story. Well, here's what's been done to it so far. Before he put it away, he replaced the front rad support here. He didn't get to weld it on yet. We're gonna end up doing that ourselves here. As you can see, it's not welded on yet. We're gonna be restoring this car from the ground up. We're gonna be taking care of all the damage that it has sustained in the accident. And also, we're gonna be fixing a lot of the rust on it. And we will be also installing a wide body kit. This kit is from japsalon.com. It's a complete kit which comes with front fenders, side skirts, and rear over fenders. As you can see, we've already started the installation process. What needs to be done is you have to cut off the quarter panel to allow clearance for the wheel and fold up the inner fender and weld it onto the outside. If anyone's interested in seeing the complete process, I'm happy to make a video about it. Just mention it in the comments and I will make a video when we start on the other side if you're interested in seeing that. Also, there's some rust on the rocker panels that we have to take care of. I have to cut this open and see how bad it is. As you can see underneath, this whole rocker panel here is probably toast. We'll have to cut and weld and replace everything. As well as the rear quarters at the bottom, we're gonna have to cut and weld some new metal in there, get it nice and clean and ready to go. Personally, I'm not a big fan of these fiberglass wide body kits as they're very brittle and they're prone to cracking easily. You have to be really careful driving your car to make sure you don't bang it up on anything. As you can see here, we've already had to repair one that's been cracked. This was damaged in shipping. So we just took some fiberglass and laid it over. We'll be doing the full install of this wide body ourselves. We'll be doing all the welding and installation, including riveting the panels on. All the finish work will be completed by my local body shop. They'll finish it off and mold it to the rest of the car to make it look like it's all one piece and paint it up and make it looking like a new car again. But we still have much work to do here before we can even get to that part. I'll just talk about what's going on under the hood here. This motor was built 10 years ago. It's got forged bottom end. It has some cams and upgraded valves train. I guess a Kevlar timing belt. You see some HKS timing gears in here. On the turbo side, we do not have a manifold as of yet. We're probably looking into one from 6 boost and maybe a precision 62, 66 turbo. On the intake side, we're probably looking to delete the ITB setup and go with a large intake plenum of some sort. Haven't decided which one we're going to get yet. Maybe along with a 92 mil throttle body. And that'll help us simplify a lot of this plumbing and stuff down here. We want to keep the car as simple as possible. We're probably looking to run around 1000 cc fuel injectors. It's just going to run primarily on pump gas. I don't think it's going for anything crazy with flex fuel or anything of the likes. In terms of engine management, I'm very fond of the Mega Squirt offerings such as the MS3 and the MS3 Pro. That'll definitely be a contender on our list for what we're going to use for engine management. I would like to use a setup that will be capable of controlling the Atessa system for the torque split between front and rear wheels based upon wheel speed and maybe boost pressure and stuff. I know Haltech is pretty good with that, and I will do some research and see if we can do that with the Mega Square system. Whatever engine management we choose to go with, I don't mind if it's a plug and play or a wire-in one. Whatever I choose, I haven't decided yet. Waiting to hear on some feedback on that. If anyone wants to see us install the engine management on this and wants to see it done in detail, I'm also happy to make a video about that. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else that you would like to see on this build that I can cover in good detail, and I'll be happy to make a video about it. So stay tuned. We'll be covering this build over the next few months. Thanks for watching.